Hey, it's Slavik from NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com, and today I'm proud to show you off our very own one-button remote, the North Shore Commercial Door 390CK1. The NSCD-390CK1 keychain remote opener is our own in-house brand to replace your 390 MHz LiftMaster, Sears, or Chamberlain remote transmitter. With all North Shore Commercial Door remotes, you get 3-year warranty and best customer support and troubleshooting service directly through us. Now in the packaging you will find the remote and the manual for programming instructions. This keychain transmitter is very portable in size, yet very durable, with a nice tactile click on the button. This transmitter comes with a battery that's already pre-installed, but if it needs to be replaced, you only need to unscrew 2 Phillips screws. This remote features 9 dip switches and can be used on openers with the green Learn button. This transmitter uses a CR2032 battery, which is easy to replace since it's used in many remotes. This is a fantastic and economical replacement remote, which typically runs around only $10. Simple, durable, and very capable with best in-house customer service. Now, if you'd like to purchase one or have any other questions, please visit NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com. Thanks for watching.